Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today's just going to be a ride out. I thought I'd put the camera on. We're on our way to Haworth, which is a nice little village town in Yorkshire near me, so I thought we'd go out for a quick ride today, so being as it's a Saturday. There's not going to be much talk in this video. I'm just going to let the scenery do the video for me really, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If anyone comes to Haworth a lot, or you're local to Haworth, you'll recognise this hill. It is the steepest hill you've ever seen. It might not look like it on camera, but going up there in a car is an absolute nightmare. This hill in general is so steep. Actually my first time going around Haworth on my motorbike, on a motorbike in general. Always come, we park up here, go for a nice little walk. Hey up. GPs. there's one thing I hate about the UK, right, it's the roads. I think I speak for everyone when I say the majority of UK sound. The majority of UK roads are just filled with holes.
Well, I think it drops down wherever we need to go.
Right. The perks of having a 1945 Bandit. It's a miracle if it even starts. All this gravel on the roads, this is terrible. The scenery might be nice, but the roads aren't. Oh, I'm at someone's house. Okay, never mind. Could practice a U-turn here if it wasn't so blooming small. Oh, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Way! I had to kind of put my feet down though, so that'd be a fail and a mod 2 or a mod 1, whatever it is. That gravel is actually terrifying. You don't even have to be going fast, you can just feel your tyres like skid above it. It's just terrible. Which calls for early braking, I say, and gentle turns. I think I'm more scared of gravel on roads than World War III happening, to be honest. It appears there is a brother over there. Oh. That were absolutely crazy. Right guys, I think I'm going to end the video there. I've lost my dad, I've no idea where he is. Currently waiting on a phone call from him, so I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully we enjoyed the bit of a ride out. I know it wasn't anywhere spectacular, but if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Make sure you like this video, favourite it, whatever you need to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.